Hi and welcome to DIY Craft Club. Today I'm taking a closer look at this set of paint markers. I tried them out on a few projects and I would like to share those with you today. If you would like to see more of our videos, please subscribe and click the bell to be notified. This pack comes in a set of 5 colors. Paint markers can be used for scrapbooking, art projects, posters, signs, and more. The vibrancy and colors really stand out on black surfaces. Paint markers require a few steps to get them ready for use. The initial priming will only need to be done once, however. With the marker facing up, press the tip in all the way and release. Then put the cap back on and shake for about 10 seconds. There's a little ball inside the marker that mixes everything together. Always mix the paint before using the markers, especially if they've been sitting for a while. Now the markers are ready to be primed. Paint pens and markers have a special spring-loaded tip, so as you press down, the paint will start to make its way down into the tip. Just be patient because it can take a bit for the paint to start flowing into the tip of the marker. Once the tip is saturated with color and you can draw lines that don't break up, it's ready for use. This particular set comes in a fine tip that's similar to the size that you would get on a regular Sharpie marker. Sharpie also has sets with larger tips and also superfine tips. This set will dry to a matte finish. If you are looking for something more permanent, Sharpie also has oil-based markers too. Note the difference when you are shopping for these markers. The water-based markers have a blue band on the bottom and the oils have a pink band. If you have a large pen and marker collection, it's very helpful to swatch them out when you purchase a new set. That way you can flip through your swatch book to find the perfect pen for the project that you're working on. You can download this template from our website for free, and I'll post the link below. This is a prime example why you need to take the time to prime paint pens properly, because if you don't, you will run into problems later with them drying out and the pigment not coming down to the tip. I didn't prime the blue pen properly, and sure enough, the paint wasn't coming out smoothly, so I had to fix that right away. I was quite surprised that the pigment didn't come through the paper like regular Sharpies do. I wasn't expecting that for some reason, so I was happy that these can be used in planners too for mood trackers and doodles. So you can see now how the blue is much better now that it's primed properly. I was most excited to try these markers on glass because this is a fun way to make personalized wine glasses for friends and family. And not only wine glasses, but another cute idea would be to use these markers to write on glasses or cups if you are having a tea party or birthday party. And then I wanted to see if the paint came off as easily as they said it would. So I used just a piece of paper towel with soap to see how it would come off, but I think a scrubby sponge would be more helpful. The colors are really bright and bold on dark surfaces, and the paint came out pretty smoothly, but be aware that the red looks more pink than red when I tried it on this black foam core, but the other colors were pretty much what you would expect. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing and closer look at this marker set. If there's a product that you would like us to check out, be sure to let us know in the comments and we'll do our best to get it in. Till next time, have a beautiful day.